In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly apply screens to mockups in Figma. This is a streamlined process that will help you enhance your design workflow, enabling you to present your ideas more effectively and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your screens looking their best on the mockups of your choice. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up Figma, which is our collaborative interface design tool of choice today. With its robust feature set, Figma allows you to create and share designs seamlessly. Head over to their website through your browser. Once you're on the site, look for the login option at the top right corner of the page and simply click it. This will bring you to the login screen where you can enter your details and access your account. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to the Figma homepage. Once you're logged in and on the Figma homepage, it's time to navigate to the design section. From here you can access all of your ongoing and previous projects. This is your creative playground where the magic happens. Click on the design tab and this will take you to your workspace where you can find your design files. In your design workspace, the next thing you need to do is to click on the action button. The action menu is key to accessing different functionalities and tools that Figma offers. Clicking this will reveal a set of useful options. Now you need to search for the artboard within the action options. Artboards in Figma help you organize your design elements efficiently, so locating this will be crucial for applying your screens onto mockups. Type in artboard in the search area to find it swiftly. Once you have found the artboard, look for the option titled Artboard Mockups. Mockups are particularly useful because they allow you to see how your screens will appear on different devices. Click on Artboard Mockups to open the available options that Figma provides for applying your screens to various frame styles. With the appropriate artboard mockup options in view, all that's left to do is click Run. This action applies your screens dynamically to the chosen mockup style. Give the process a moment to complete as Figma applies the templates to your selected screen designs. And there you have it. You've successfully applied screens to mockups in Figma quickly and efficiently. This process not only saves you time but also enhances your design presentation, making your workflow much smoother. Don't forget to explore and experiment with different mockup options available in the tool to find what best fits your design needs. Thanks for joining me today and happy designing.